it won't last for long. And I've been guessing, and I could have been guessing wrong. You don't know me now. I kinda thought that you should somehow. Does that whole mad season got you down? I feel stupid, but it's something that comes and goes. And I've been changing. I think it's funny how no one knows. And we don't talk about the little things that we do without when that whole mad season comes around. So why you gotta stand there looking like the answer now? It seems to me you come around, I need you now. Do you think you can cope? You figured me out, that I'm lost and I'm hopeless. I'm bleeding and broken, though I've never spoken. I come undone in this mad season. I feel stupid, but I think I've been catching on. I feel ugly, but I know I still turn you on. You've grown colder now, torn apart, angry, turned around with that whole